snap, this connection point, kind of right in the middle. All right, so you don't want to pull. Lines are going to rotate, straps are going to rotate. You always want to make sure you're attaching this from the
Bronco one. So remember yours, how it looked nice and so it's wider and it matches all like the dash lines.
Yeah, that's sleek.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah, like the machining's a lot nicer how it comes around the edges. And like the Bronco dash has like a slight curve to it, so it's actually machined custom to fit. Yeah, it looks slick.
Very cool.
Good afternoon, Broncopalooza. Third annual Broncopalooza. Want to shout out to Handblock Ford for hosting us and giving this wonderful parking lot that I think we almost filled up completely with Broncos. Rain's gone, sun's shining, and it is time to announce the best Broncos here. Let's get some of these awards handed out. For the best early Bronco, we have Bronco number 389.
You're good. I was shooting for you. It was $2.99. Aww.
Come on, don't be shy.
Thanks. Are you strong?
Yes.
Are you strong, girl?
Woo! All right, for the best off-roader, we have Bronco number 396. Oh! I know him. Hey! Have to have the Kodak moment. All right, for the best sport, we have Bronco number 386.
Congrats.
Thank you.
We have best of show Bronco number 373. Hey!
Congrats.
We appreciate all of you guys. You guys are the best car people on the planet. Every time you guys come out, we love you. Way better than the Mustang people. I'm just new. I didn't say that. I'll deny it to the day I die. But what I would like to do, because we have all the mods of Chicagoland Broncos come up that have helped out with setting all of this up. Let me get up here. These guys right here are the VIPs. You need to give them a huge round of applause. They put in so much work and time and effort between coordinating all these amazing vendors. You know, the amount of money and effort that they put into this just flabbergasts me. So thank you guys so much. We appreciate you. Have fun. I hope everybody wins a bunch of stuff at the raffle. Enjoy the rest of the weekend here, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Brian. Let's get to the good stuff. See who's won some things. All right. For the Onyx Off-Road Elite membership basket, we'll have 3 winners.
Yep, 3.
All right. We have ticket number 3664503. Bill Brooks. No, you're good. Congratulations.
What's that?
Say congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, for the next winner, we have ticket number 0333252. And one more here. Ticket number 0333039.
I need a picture of him with it.
Double check it, right? Yep. It's not him again. Ticket number 0333071. Yes, ma'am, that is it. Ticket number 0333478. All right. Winner number 2. Ticket number 0333167. All right, next item we have a detail kit by the Grass Lot Boys. You're good. All right, we have ticket number 3664669. Ticket number 3664669. Hey! Don't get on his bad side. He now has a machete. Machete number 2. All right, ticket number 0333340. Evan P.
Are you over 18, sir? Quite.
All right, for the metal cloak, rear differential skid, and merch donated by Automotive Solutions, located right here in oh so wonderful Belvidere. We can probably fit that all in our bag now. Who's going to be testing that out tomorrow at Badlands Offshore Park? Ticket 3664445. Yes, sir. All right, the final 2 items here. We have the Form Lighting Bronco taillight, donated by Dio Dynamics. Ticket number 0333443. That's her.
Okay, let me.
Last but not least, the Ford Performance Bronco tuner donated by our one and only hand block Ford. Ticket number 3664367. Heyo! Yes, sir.
His field custom order that fits for Bronco.
Oh!